So, man, this is my first live session testing it going on, man, for this talk show, man. Okay, make sure settings are good. But yeah, man, I'm gonna make this a little brief. Who knows, man? Trying to do something different in the marketplace. Let people know, man, that J2O, man, is out here and we trying to change the game in the forex industry, this market, all that crazy stuff, man. A lot of people out here flexing demo. I get it. Some of it's motivational. It's always good to practice demo, so don't get me wrong, yo. I don't hate on that, but you gotta understand psychology of trading, yo, because trading is so psychological. And the best way to get better as a trader is to actually trade and experience different market conditions, experience the fear of seeing your trade being negative or you about to lose money. You gotta experience it, man, over and over and over until it becomes second nature where you just don't care anymore. So right now, I'm working from home still, 2020 work from home lifestyle, but I still be trading out here and I'm just trying to trade more consistently now that I'm home, looking at the markets differently. So I'm actually looking at New York session more now since, before I'm at work during New York session. So I just don't really be focused on the charts because I'm busy working. But now since I'm home, I kind of can see how the New York market moves during the New York session. So it's pretty interesting. And looking at the SPX 500 and the US 30, seeing how those pairs move a lot the New York session is pretty interesting too as well. Same with this whole COVID-19, all this crazy stuff is happening in the market and economy. So this is a good time to be aware of your trading and the market conditions and your strategy. Right now, you gotta understand that what you did months ago might not work now. So the market is in a different season, the summer season, where the market is most likely trending. So the market likes to trend during the summer seasons as like a swing season. So if you trade during the summertime, it's more like being a swing trader. So you should trade to hold trades usually if you want to expose your accounts to that type of risk, because the longer you're in the trade, the more risk you expose yourself to. So right now, looking at my phone, kind of got suspended, really. But it is what it is. So, it's my first live talk show, man. Just let me know what topics you guys want me to talk about, man. This whole YouTube thing, man, is very competitive, man. Getting noticed, everyone just be on, but at different times, all across the world, man. So I'm trying to do something different. So you gotta bear with me at times, man. I'm trying to definitely change the game for 2020. So you gotta be smart, y'all. Trade what you see, not what you think, and you'll be successful in trading, man. And in your time, because everyone's time in trading is different, man. Sometimes it can take you a year to be great, sometimes 2 or 3. I feel like the third year is very important in trading because sometimes it takes you like 3 years to like master or to come to a substance of your strengths and weaknesses, man. Like really, by 3 years you should know like if you're good or if you could do something or what you're capable or what you're not capable. Because the first year could be like practice. Everyone wants to practice the first year, work on the skill sets. So the first year is definitely more like a practice year, I'll say. Some people blow up practice, trial and error. It could be luck or not luck. Great setup, great market condition. But by the third year, you should really start to know. And in the 5 year, you should definitely know, And it's okay to still be losing your 5th year trading because you could be losing due to a strategy that doesn't work in this current market condition. Or you could have a strategy that works in all market conditions, but it's very risk approach where you're very tight on your risks, like your stops and your take profits, so you don't lose a lot, but you can make a lot. So there's those strategies that people have where they can make a lot by risking a little, or they wait for certain setups or certain market conditions. You feel me? So some people like to trade supplies and demand zones. You know, it don't work all the time, but it does work though. If you trade within those zones and hold to the next zone, you can make some money. Or some people wait for breakouts by having like buy stops or sell stops and waiting for the market to just break out and just hit these sort of like areas and wait for the next support or resistant areas or market structure breaks. So there's so many different ways to trade. So I will not just tell people one way. I just tell people what you feel comfortable with and what works for you. And even if you do bad one day or one week, always critique yourself, man. It's like basketball. It's like shooting a shot. You could like be good shooting threes at the front of the court, but you might suck shooting threes at the like side or back of the court. So just be wise and just focus on your skill set, man. There's no rush in this, man. Take your time and you'll be great. So that being said, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna charge my I'll charge my computer real quick. So, ladies and gentlemen, definitely subscribe, like, comment, let me know what y'all think. We're gonna change the game for 2021 for real. So 2020 is a practice year, man. Working on yourself, working on your skill sets, and you should be all right in due season, man. Don't compare your journey with no one else, man. Take your time, y'all. Take your time. That's all I gotta say, man. Take your time, man. Don't rush the process, man. Because if you rush the process, man, you might miss your blessing, man. Because a diamond in the rough takes time, man. It takes time to finish school. Like you go for a 4-year degree. 4-year degree, it could take time. It could take you 4 years to get this degree. So take your time, man. Don't rush the process, man. It takes time to be great, man. Greatness takes time, man. So you want to be great in this market. Don't quit. Take your time. Stay motivated, man. This, talk show is going to be definitely motivational, man. We're going to have special guests in the near future, man. All in due season, man. So take your time, man. And like I said, be wise. Trade what you see, not what you think. And that's what I'm going to say every time before I get out this show. Trade what you see, not what you think. Say over and over, becomes muscle memory, and then eventually you're gonna keep doing it. Sometimes I may violate my rule, and I'm like, oh, why I violate my rule when I know it? Because the hope strategy is always, it feels good to hope, but we don't want no hope strategy. We want what it is. And what it is trade what you see, not what you think. That's what it is, regardless. No hope out here. Our success is not hope. Our success is calculated, it's executed, man. We executing our success. We out here trying to make sure that we are doing what we need to do to be profitable and managing our risks one trade at a time. So that's all I got for you guys for today, this Friday, man. I might do this like on Fridays. I'm not sure yet, but I'll try to figure it out eventually, man, for August. Get this talk show going, man. We need to change the game, man. I'm tired of seeing people lose. I'm tired of seeing people just win alone, You got to share the information, man. Competition, man. Competition yourself, man, to better yourself. Better yourself as a trader, man. You'll be all right, man. Because not everybody can better themselves in life. So definitely, again, like, comment, subscribe. And we're going to do this, man. We're going to change lives. Not just bank accounts, but lives, man. There's so much out there to know outside of trading. And, trading is a part of what you do in your life, Just put your order in, buy or sell, whatever it is, and carry on your day. Or if it's swing trade, you hold it on for a long time, so it doesn't really matter. But scalping is more skill, and I respect everyone who does scalping consistently, because it could be stressful, man. But that's it for today, man. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think.